Today we are working on a 1994 F-150 4x4 cluster. My PSOM has gone bad. If you've watched my other previous ones, replaced the cluster, worked better, but still wanted to work better. So bought a replacement PSOM. This one I just wiggled out right now. I was trying to get the tachometer out, could not get it out as easily as I could these. These just popped right out. So here's the new one. Let's play her back in. There we go. I had to stop it because just wiggle it in, basically. It's nice and simple. Got it in play. This is actually a new one. My other one is down here. It was already trashed, and throughout the procedures it just even got worse. So I figured 25 bucks on eBay, plug in a new one. So this will go in here. Hopefully. And then these will plug in here.